Welcome to another home vlog. It's definitely been a minute since I've done these. Last vlog I was in Curacao with my boyfriend and my dad, and then I kind of took, instead of posting weekly, I think I took like a week or two break just because of summer events going on, and I'm still just getting used to filming when I'm with other people. And recently I was on a float trip with my boyfriend Dalton and his family, so I'm like, you know what, like I'm not gonna vlog that. So I am happy, I am happy to be back. Okay, why am I talking? And I am happy to be back. So today I wanted to do like a cute, bright, fun, romanticized like summer day in my life. But the first thing I noticed literally when I woke up is that it's really cloudy out. So I'm like, well, not that it's still not summer. I'm like, that just makes it less cute, I feel like. But anyways, we're still gonna do it. So today's Saturday. Dalton and I are about to go get coffee, and then we're gonna go to the farmer's market, which if you've been watching my videos, you know I try to go to the farmer's market as much as I can. There's a few in St. Louis that I like to go to, but I always stick to one kind of, because I feel like once you go to a farmer's market and there's like specific shops that you like, or like things that you like from certain shops, like that's why you always just go back. And the one I go to, the crowd, it gets decently crowded, but I almost kind of like prefer that because if it gets crowded, it's for a reason. So we're gonna go do that. And then I think I'm gonna go to the gym after. One thing, which I will mention that I've been doing recently, and this is kind of like a weird little tip. I'm someone who's super routine focused. Even on the weekends, like I'm very like, you know, wake up, work out, like I have my thing going. I try to have slow mornings when I can, but a lot of times I get in my own head. I'm like, Sophia, you need to just hurry up and work out in the morning and do this and do this, do all your errands. But lately what I've been doing is almost forcing myself to like step out of that routine a little bit and just like take on the day, just see what happens. Like still prioritizing things like eating good and working out, but just not being so like, you know, to where it feels like even on my days where I'm off work, I'm still on a schedule. So it's kind of nice. So instead of working out this morning, I'm like, you know what, like you still have the whole day, you'll figure it out, like you'll get an hour workout in, like it's okay. So that's just one thing that I've been doing that I've really been enjoying, because I just feel less like, you know, like in a box, I guess. But anyways, before I start ranting about that, farmer's market, coffee or coffee before farmer's market. And then we have a movie tonight, and then I'm not really sure what else I want to do today. I got some stuff from the store that I really do want to like bake and cook, and I'll just show you guys that later. So a little surprise, not really. But anyways, I'm just happy to be back on here and then start posting more, especially with it being summer. I feel like summer, as much as I love fall, summer is just like a really good time to just like be outside, be happy, see the light, see all the colors, wear all the colors. So I want to start posting more and not get into the rhythm of being like, you know what, I'm gonna take a week off or 2 weeks off. So if you're watching this, I'm very happy you're here, and let's get the day going. Saturday, where are we going?
Call these coffee, get a little more Joe.
And then we're gonna go to the farmer's market. So I just got back from the farmer's market a few minutes ago, and I want to show what I got. The weather started being kind of crappy out. Now it's kind of like mostly cloudy, I would say, and it started raining a little bit, which is kind of a downer, but I did get some stuff. I feel like every time I go to a farmer's market, there's just so many things. I get overstimulated, and then I just get confused on like, okay, what am I actually looking for? What do I actually want to buy? I don't want to just buy a lot of random produce just because I'm here and then end up not eating it and wasting it. So I didn't even get any produce, per usual. But I got beef jerky because they had a bunch of different like meat stands where you could just buy, I don't know if it's like cheaper or just probably better. But I got some jerky that I actually kind of want to try right now. I love beef jerky, but I'm really picky about it because sometimes nowadays it's just so salty. So I'm hoping because this is like local, like from a farm, I don't know, farm, it would be better. It kind of looks different than your typical jerky. Oh. Definitely harder to eat. It tastes better, but it's harder to, it feels like I'm ripping cardboard. I'm not really sure about that one. And it's like, you can't chew it. It's literally like eating hard paper. That tastes good though. Now the salt's kicking in. Okay, anyways. Then I got this thing of sourdough. Funny enough, I literally, when I was at the grocery store yesterday, bought sourdough, so now I have 2 loaves. But I feel like since this one is locally made, I feel like it probably tastes better than the grocery store. So, and this was the last one they had left. Sourdough stands at farmers markets, they go quick. And then, actually I have what Dalton bought. Dalton got this little thing of lion's mane because he says he hasn't been sleeping well, and I think a guy at work told him that like lion's mane, I don't know if it like helps you relax or just sleep better. So he got that. And then I'm most excited about this. I'm a fiend for good quality sweatshirts, and I hate wasting my money on a lot of sweatshirts where like the quality isn't good and then I end up washing and it shrinks and it pills, like, oh, you know. And a lot of times you order online, you can't really touch things. So I found this sweatshirt at this like St. Louis, because that's where I'm from, this St. Louis store that had just tons of different like St. Louis merch and like Cardinals because it's our baseball team. So I found this sweatshirt. It says on it 1882 baseball heaven, St. Louis world champions, and the material is like that perfect cozy thick sweatshirt material with like the inside being like that cozy fleece. And I'm obsessed with it, and I hate saying the word obsessed, but it's so cute. And I got an extra large. The store, I'll leave them in the comments because I think they're just like an online store. It's called Freedom and the Moon, freedomandthemoon.com. But how cute is this huge red sweatshirt? I'm gonna wear it tonight when we go to the movies. So I'm like, that's when you know you like something. Like if you're literally within hours of buying it, you're already wearing it. So now, speaking of baseball, I wanted to go to the gym because it's only noon and I have until 6 o'clock. And I don't really want to keep just like running errands and just spending money. My sister and my friend Frankie were actually at the farmer's market too, and they asked us if we wanted to go to brunch, but I ate that really cool fruit drink, or like drank that fruit drink, and then having that coffee earlier and some of the cinnamon roll that we got at the coffee shop. So I don't think I'm gonna do that, but I'm like, well, I have the whole day now, like what is there to do? So I was wanting to go to the gym just to work out, but my gym is next to the baseball stadium and there's a game right now, so I'm like, oh god, parking is just gonna be annoying and messing with just like the crowds being down there. So I'm like, ugh, like I'm just gonna suck it up and I guess go work out. And I want to take you guys with me, but I'm sorry, soon when I get better at like vlogging, especially at the gym, then I will. But I'll just have to see you after. I can't even talk, after the gym. And then I think I want to make something for lunch, hang out at home. So yeah, I'll see you guys after I work out. So this is kind of random, but last weekend I didn't vlog. I went to an antique store. And go to your antique stores for jewelry because A, they're probably really good price there, and B, it's just cool vintage jewelry. They had a shit ton of watches in this little jewelry, what do you call it, like the antique stand, like each shop, like it was one little shop that had so much jewelry. And I found so many different watches. My wrists are really small, so it's always hard for me to wear watches, but I found this really pretty. I thought it was so cute, and I need to get a new battery for it, but it literally was like $10. But they had so much cool jewelry there. I'm like, more people need to go to antique stores if they want really one-of-a-kind like vintage jewelry for a good price, because oh my gosh, you'll never want to shop elsewhere. This is the outfit for the gym. This sports bra is from this brand. I got this forever ago. It's from the brand Do You Even, And then just plain old Lululemon leggings with some New Balance shoes. Don't mind my room, it's a mess. That's one thing I'm gonna clean up when I get home because I'll have nothing else to do for the rest of the day. So for lunch, I made this, as you guys saw. I don't know why, I never put cucumber in my sandwiches. Usually for some sort of crunch, I like to do chips, but I'm like, you know what, a cucumber might be the better alternative. And honestly, if you do like a crunch in your sandwiches, cucumber is the way to go, and it just tastes more like refreshing versus like a salty chip. But I forgot, I was gonna tell you guys, so we're going to see a movie tonight. It's called Kinds of Kindness. I think Kinds of Kindness. Yeah, I'm almost positive. But I saw on TikTok this girl made like, it's like this viral fluffy birthday cake marshmallow popcorn, like a funfetti popcorn basically. And so I went to the grocery store because all you need is butter, funfetti cake mix, popcorn. That honestly might be it. Vanilla extract maybe? I don't know. I'll have to look. No, and marshmallows, duh. So I want to make that and sneak it in the movie tonight. So I think I'm gonna make that because I was gonna post it on TikTok and then on my diary, so I probably won't show it on here, but I'll link the recipe that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna tweak it a little bit just because I like to post any recipes I post on like my cooking Instagram. I like them to be mine, so I like to like add things to it or just make it more so my own. So I am going to tweak the recipe a little bit. So I'll put both links to the one I'm using as like a blueprint and then mine whenever I post it on my diary. Who knows when that'll be. But I'm like, that sounds so good, like marshmallow and funfetti coated popcorn basically. So after I eat this, we're going to make that just so I can already have it made to go because we still have like 3 hours until the movie. So that's really exciting. And then I need to clean up this apartment, so I feel like if you're a girl who just has a lot of stuff and not a lot of places to put it, it's just it's like a never-ending cycle of cleaning up your apartment. Like my apartment is never like dirty, you know, like there's never like stuff on the floor, stuff stuck everywhere, like the counters are always clean, but I just have so much stuff. And I'm trying to find I need to go to Home Goods because that's where I hear good stuff is, but I need to find storage stuff, but like actually good pieces of furniture for storage, because I was cleaning out all my rooms and the amount, all my rooms, my bedroom and then my other room, and the amount of just stuff I have, I'm just like, you know what, I need to just like drink a bottle of vodka and then literally just start saying toss it, throw it away, give it away, give it away, give it away, because I'm so bad at giving things away. and I want to be more like a minimalist, but like I am so far from that. It's just, it's heartbreaking. So anyways, that's my little spiel. Okay, so we're about to make it right now. On the recipe I know a lot of people are like, you can't really use this or it's not that safe to eat because it's uncooked flour. But I saw Pillsbury commented on this girl's video and was like, just bake this on a baking sheet for 5 minutes. So we're just gonna do that too. Okay, we put that in the oven for like 5 minutes, and now in here we have the butter and then the marshmallows. And then we already popped the popcorn in a pan. But you can also do a bag of popcorn. I just like this style better. So now I added in the cake batter extract and then the funfetti mix. Oh my God, this looks so freaking good, and it's so sticky. Like, okay, so it's about like 6 o'clock right now. I have hiccups, so they're gonna come out. But I'm just getting ready to go to the movies. Here's that sweatshirt that I got at the farmer's market. It's super oversized and cute. And then shorts, I just have these new Dairy Boy shorts. They're a little bit short on me just because I kind of have a butt, but I'm still gonna wear them. They're not that bad. And then I'm gonna pack some of that popcorn that I made earlier. I'm gonna probably put my hair in like 2 braids just because it's a little humid out. So I'm just gonna shut up now.
Sophia, what are you wearing?
So we're going to the movies. I have this, I got it at the farmer's market today. It's from the brand Freedom, and I'll tag it. And then the shorts, these are Dairy Boy, they're new shorts. Shoesies, Birkenstocks with these Target socks. And then, come here, show the bag. And then for bag details, we have Poppy, and then we got some popcorn.
What flavor of Poppy are we rolling with?
The orange cream one.